This is number 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns, not Cape Town City 1. With me here, I'm with a Cape Town City fan. I think he's very happy. What's your name? Where do you come from?
My name is Kedi Mahamba.
Yeah.
I'm originally from Congo DRC, but I'm with Cape Town City.
Yeah.
Yes, I'd like to congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns.
For winning the league,
winning the league, the best team in Africa.
Yeah.
In South Africa as well. Really, we enjoyed the game, and I'd like to congratulate my team. It was not easy to secure the top 8 because we won 11 games without a victory, but we managed to be number 5. We almost went to Africa, but Sebukune won in the last minute. But next year we'll try again.
You'll push.
Yeah, we'll push again. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. No, thank you very much, my brother. Hope you travel safe. And also congratulations that you won tonight.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ngobo 2010. God bless you.
Thank you. God bless you too.